Enabling two-factor authentication on your hotel's com account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the hotel's com website or app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on this option to access security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable it, which may include verifying your phone number or email address. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that the feature is active. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your hotel's com account and protect your information from unauthorized access.